Once upon a time, in a small village called Sandagram, there lived a man named Mr. Ram. He was an ordinary man who worked as a carpenter. He made tables, chairs, and cupboards for the people in his village. Although Mr. Ram didn't earn much money, he was known for his kind heart. Every morning, he would wake up early, drink a cup of tea, and head to his small workshop. He worked hard, yet life was not easy. His tools were old, his hands often hurt, and he struggled to make enough money to buy good wood for his work. One day, a man named Raju came to his workshop. Raju was a farmer, and he looked very sad. "Mr. Ram," Raju said, "I need a wooden box to store my grains, but I don't have much money. Can you help me?" Mr. Ram thought for a moment. He didn't have much wood, but he also didn't want to turn Raju away. "Don't worry, Raju," he said with a smile. "I will make a box for you." For the next 2 days, Mr. Ram worked late into the night to make the box. He used the best wood he had and made sure it was strong and beautiful. When he gave the box to Raju, the farmer's eyes filled with tears. "Thank you, Mr. Ram. You're so kind," Raju said. A week later, something surprising happened. A wealthy merchant from another village visited Mr. Ram's workshop. "I heard about the beautiful box you made for Raju," the merchant said. "I need 20 boxes like that for my shop. I will pay you well." Mr. Ram was overjoyed. He worked hard to complete the order, and soon he earned enough money to buy new tools and better wood. From that day, Mr. Ram's life changed. He became one of the most successful carpenters in the area. Moral of the story: helping others without expecting anything in return can bring unexpected rewards. Kindness always finds its way back to you.